If you are a child of God and prayer is not involved in your planning, especially at the onset of it, then you are going to experience a lot of problems, because when we pray about our plans, when we commit our plans to God, He gives us direction. And again, when we're in the process of implementing our plans and we run into difficulties, as long as we know that God gave us the green light, that is the right plan, we won't become discouraged. We'll continue with our plans. So, as God's children, as a Christian who is planning their life, always remember that there's a divine dimension to human existence. There is a creator. So this means if you run into difficulties and impossibilities, remember your creator. He will help you.
Thank you for watching. We hope you have been blessed. For full videos as well as more sermons and teachings from our ministry, visit our Facebook page at Out for Christ Ministries International. Remain blessed.